Take off my pants, I'm gonna play them naked. Girl in my bed, make me turn up the flame. They're gonna do why you should date a Jamaican.
Why you should date a what?
Why you should date a Jamaican.
Alright. Kick it off.
For date a Jamaican.
Yeah, talk.
Not only are you gonna get cool points for dating a Jamaican,
You're gonna get mad points.
a Jamaican can always cook.
I mean, if you go to anybody's house, them don't buy fast food. Once you're Jamaican, they don't buy fast food.
Everybody can cook, you know.
Yeah.
But not like a Jamaican style cooking.
Alright. The rice and peas and the curry goat and the curry chicken and
sausage, dumpling, banana,
nice.
everything. Your picnic grow up strong,
muscles.
run fast like you see a bolt. Jamaican stood down in the kitchen. If you don't know, go date a Jamaican and find out. Like a real thing. Now, if that doesn't get you, for you overweight girls, you think
A
nobody
lot
likes
of
it?
Jamaican men love a fat mom.
Mom in Jamaica is a good thing.
Good thing. Like yo, you know some not date a mompy, right?
It's a mom more shape,
yeah.
The girl have a fat and round, like more belly curves or something, more beautiful. Grab it.
Yeah. The short Jamaican men, they love the mumpy.
Yes.
I don't know why, but they love the mumpy.
I'll tell you why. It's because when they're in the bed, they love the waves.
Jamaican man, they can sweet talk you. They know for lyrics out of girl right now.
Accent.
Yeah, just the accent we're talking about right now.
You're not gonna find nobody with them accent there. You see me accent.
We are come home tonight. Yeah, come home
and
tonight.
you can hear this accent for the rest of your life if you date a Jamaican. Jamaicans ever dress well.
What?
Ever dress clean.
What?
Clean. How much that's this?
I'm gonna call a reefer down.
Jamaicans always
clean.
clean.
Any party, you see we go. Any party, you know,
clean.
We are the cleanest over there. Nobody can be clean. Nobody can cross it. Nobody can cross
Jamaican party.
I mean, yes.
The Jamaicans.
No, let's go to a reggae party.
Reggae.
You're gonna find out. Oh, him a Jamaican. Look on him.
Yes.
Yeah, him clean.
And since we're on the topic of Jamaican parties, Jamaicans can dance.
What?
And you know if a guy can dance, well, he's good in the bed. Now, while we're on the subject of the bed,
we have the definition called bedroom bully. What's bedroom bully?
Bedroom bully, people for out there, that's when the guy tear down the bed. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
That's when the guy
tear on the bed.
Stroke game is on point. Stroke game is very important. You know what I mean? You don't worry about that when you
it's vicious. It's deadly. It's deadly.
You
when you go there,
worry about that when
it's literally TNT when you go in that room. You see me? All over. You're going to fall in love.
Yeah.
Basically,
Jamaicans throw down.
I mean, not just men, but the women. You know the woman out there that are Jamaican, them turn up.
You can't go walk.
Yes, I mean, why not? Like why
would they have seizures? Oh God! Just listen to a Jamaican song. That's all we talk about. And that's all we talk about. We must know what we are doing. Jamaican make crazy.
Ooh.
Bedroom.
But the woman, Jamaican woman got it to dog.
Oh.
Jamaican woman got it. Them know what them a do. For all the men out there, I'm telling you, date a yard girl.
Give me the girl
with the wickedest slam.
If you don't want to if you want,
get the medal.
I forget to get
No, we get that girl.
You the girl with the wickedest slam. Jamaican girls. They're gonna have pretty kids. You're gonna have pretty Britney.
Pretty.
If you want a pretty mix, baby.
Pretty picnic.
Well, mix
otherwise known as a pretty kid. A pretty kid is a pretty child. I mean, we're all cute in one, you know? Out of many one people, we're all cute.
Out of many one people. Out of many one people.
Out of many one people. Oh, I'm gonna tell you the truth, you know. The main fact about Jamaican people, them be straight up with you.
Oh,
them tell you say them not like you, them not like you.
Oh, you gotta move left.
You not move right or you not move straight. Why you should date a Jamaican? It's because we're turned up.
Go find a Jamaican.
Find a Jamaican.
You'll never regret it.
I'm guaranteeing it.
It might be a bun.
But guess what? They come back for the phone straight up out it.
Man, if you want to get the medal, you want to go pass long from a real ghetto. Give me the girl with the wickedest slam. The kind of girl who don't feel up she man. Man, if you want to get the medal, you want to get us long ghetto girl